Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are at Indiana Caverns to explore caves and more. So if you look up here, it shows a ladder, and that's where the cave people got out or explored.
There's that large rock sticking out of the wall in that little pile there, so I always do this curve super slow. Get our very large blocks in the water, so I might need to put this on the blocks here. And then this is where the storage blocks are. So that might break that wall a little bit.
Thank you for watching, and make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Bye!